Okay, so I found the kitty cat fabric, and this is a deck weight. I would use this to make bags, handbags, or something like that. It might be a good backing for an outdoor quilt, picnic blanket quilt. And this is 150 by 300 centimeters, which is 1.5 meters by 3 meters, which they have kindly translated for me to being 59 by 118 in inches. But I mean, come on, guys. Got some orange putty tats here, and we might need those.
Yeah, stripes and
Stripes
polka
and
dots.
some great leaves. So, if you are looking uh, to put an inexpensive back on a quilt, consider a queen size duvet cover, and you'll have two quilt backs out of it. Now, this is 54% cotton, 46 viscose rayon. But if budget is something that you are minding, for $30, you can have two quilt backs. And you can get these, like, look at this, these great big cheerful flowers. That's really kind of fun. If it's a used quilt, something that's going to be used, kids, couches, dogs, this is actually going to wear a little bit better than quilting cotton. It's a little bit thicker.